Hey there everybody, Adam at X-Laser here to give you a more in-depth look at one of our color effects. So in color effects, one of the items we have in pre, mid, and post is static linear gradient. So linear gradient is basically just from one side to the other side as far as brightness or color or anything like that. So if I go ahead and select red as one color, and blue is another, you can see that right now in our default configuration, the top is blue and the bottom is red. That's because we have this set as angle of 0. An angle of 0 is just flat, straight across. If I start changing this angle, you can see, like if I go at a 45-degree angle here, you can see that it crosses directly diagonally. If I go up at a 90-degree angle, you can see that we're now splitting vertically. One of the things I can do is I can change my fade width. So if I come here to fade width, you see 0% is sharp, sharp, sharp. And then the longer I make the fade width, the smoother that gradient becomes between them. So now I've got this nice purple fade in the middle, but I still have red on one side and blue on the other. If for whatever reason when I'm setting my fade width, it's not quite the way I want it, like let me say I do a really wide gradient, but I still want to see hard red on that other side, I can adjust my offset here in order to change where that gradient actually happens. So now I've got a really long wide fade, and I'm a little bit purple on the right hand side, shows up as bluish on the camera. And then on the left-hand side, I'm completely red. I hope this has been a good in-depth look at linear gradients when it comes to our color tools built into Mercury. Thanks, and see you next time.